Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about deepfakes, a phenomenon that is changing the way we see and hear things on the internet. What are deepfakes? According to Wikipedia, deepfakes are synthetic media that have been digitally manipulated to replace one person's likeness convincingly with that of another. While the act of creating fake content is not new, deepfakes leverage powerful techniques from machine learning and artificial intelligence to manipulate or generate visual and audio content that can more easily deceive. How are deepfakes made? It takes a few steps to make a face swap video. First, you need a large collection of images or videos of the person you want to replace, and the person you want to replace them with. Then, you need a software that can analyze the facial features and expressions of both people, and create a model that can map one face onto another. Finally, you need a software that can blend the swapped face seamlessly with the original video, adjusting for lighting, color, and motion. What are some examples of deepfakes? You may have seen some viral videos that use deepfake technology to create humorous or satirical effects. For instance, have you seen Barack Obama call Donald Trump a complete dipshit, or Mark Zuckerberg brag about having total control of billions of people's stolen data, or witnessed Jon Snow's moving apology for the dismal ending to Game of Thrones? These are all examples of deepfake videos that were made for entertainment purposes. However, not all deepfakes are harmless. Deepfakes have also been used for malicious purposes, such as creating child sexual abuse material, celebrity pornographic videos, revenge porn, fake news, hoaxes, bullying, and financial fraud. These types of deepfakes can cause serious harm to the reputation, privacy, and safety of the people involved, as well as undermine the trust and credibility of information sources. How can you spot a deepfake? As deepfake technology becomes more advanced and accessible, it can be harder to tell the difference between real and fake videos. However, there are some clues that can help you spot a deepfake. For example, you can look for inconsistencies in the facial movements, expressions, and lip syncing of the person in the video. You can also look for artifacts or glitches in the video quality, such as blurring, flickering, or warping. You can also check the source and context of the video, such as who uploaded it, when it was uploaded, and what other information is available about it. What can you do to protect yourself from deepfakes? The best way to protect yourself from deepfakes is to be critical and cautious about what you see and hear on the internet. Don't believe everything you see without verifying it from multiple sources. Don't share or spread videos that you are not sure are authentic. Don't engage in activities that could expose your personal images or videos to potential misuse. And don't panic if you encounter a deepfake that targets you or someone you know. There are ways to report and remove such content from online platforms. That's all for today's video. I hope you learned something new about deepfakes and how they work. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time.